Welcome to this tutorial on managing Banalytics software versions and modules. Banalytics is made up of two core components: the software you download and install on a Windows PC, laptop, or tablet. Once installed, Banalytics transforms your device into a powerful NVR, allowing it to manage a wide range of camera types, regardless of the manufacturer. The Banalytics portal serves as the control panel where you can configure servers, connect cameras, set up surveillance features, and enable remote access to camera feeds. Banalytics offers a modular architecture, letting you add and customize features according to your specific needs. Banalytics is built around three key elements: components, tasks, and actions. Let's take a closer look at each. Components are the building blocks of the system, representing devices and communication points like cameras, microphones, or an email server. Tasks bring these components to life. For example, capturing video, detecting motion, or processing audio. Actions are the operations triggered by specific conditions, such as sending an email or saving a snapshot when motion is detected. Modules are formed by the combination of components, tasks, and actions related to a specific function. By default, Banalytics comes with essential modules that cover basic surveillance needs. These modules are pre-installed and ready to use. Advanced modules can be manually installed and may incur additional costs based on your subscription. Managing modules in Banalytics is simple. To view and manage the installed modules, go to the Version and Module Management section next to the Servers menu. Here, you can check the version of each installed module. To install or update a module, simply select the version you need and click Apply. Another exciting feature of Banalytics is the opportunity to participate in beta testing. By switching to the staging server, you gain early access to upcoming features before they're officially released. The modules available here include features from the next release, giving you a sneak peek and the chance to test new functionalities in your setup. And that's a wrap. You now have a better understanding of how Banalytics software is structured and how it works.